Paul Bennett at Downeast Creations in Millbridge, Maine. And this week I began construction on the Bugatti pedal car body. I didn't make as much progress as I would like to because the past couple of days it's been very, very hot. In this part of Maine, when we see 72, 73 degrees Fahrenheit, we consider that very high temperatures. It's a real scorcher. But the past couple of days it's been in the 90s, including today, and it's very, very humid because we're on the seacoast and it's over 100 in the shop, and we're just not used to these temperatures. And so I did what I could, and very shortly I'll roll the video and you'll see how far I've been able to get so far. But time is growing short. I really have to jam on getting this body completed and finish the car because the auction is coming up on the 28th of July, and today is the 5th, so I'm getting there, but there's a lot of finished details that I have to do. And I hope you'll enjoy this video and that you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you do, you'll automatically be subscribed in my random drawing giveaways that I have from time to time. The next one will be when I reach 400 subscribers. And so if you do that, I appreciate it. Please like and share the videos. Let's get rolling on this one, and you'll see how far I've been able to get. And check out all my other videos. Look at the toolbar on my YouTube channel, and where it says videos, just click that because YouTube doesn't list them all. And see if you can find something. I usually have free plans for a lot of things I do, except for this one because this is not my design. So thank you very much for watching.